Hi, so today I'm back with another video to share with you guys of the BK and AP mini shoulder bag. And the other one, the smaller one, is also called a mini, but it's called the AP number 10 Pan Mini. Okay, so if you're going to the BK site for that, now this one is an exclusive size with the BK shop. This one, I believe you can find other places. So I'm going to share with you why the larger one is still my favorite and show you what fits in them. So let's get started. I am Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life. And here is a look at my canvas, and I believe it is at Ateliers. It's French. I love that that was shared with me, the pronunciation. And even though I type in the pronunciation or let Google say it to me, I don't know why it comes across different in different ones. But anyhow, it is on a lot of things, they just say AP. So here we go. And I have all the links for you and past videos linked for you at the end. If you've been watching the videos and enjoying, let me know in the comments. So let's get started here. Now all the exact measurements are on the BK site, and I will show you. I think it's like half the size difference if you kind of go this way. This way, not so much, but like it's in centimeters here, and I haven't broken those down into the inches. But this one's 14 centimeters height, 18 centimeters wide, and 8 centimeters deep. I'll show you just a real quick with mine. I would say that's probably like, I gotta go to this end, 2.5. Well, the thing is it goes past that little area, so I don't want to give you wrong measurements. I would say for me 8 across there and probably like 5. But again, you can get the exacts on there because I go all the way from end to end, like 11, 7 probably, and probably about the same 2.5. Okay. So let me share with you why the larger one is still my favorite. First of all, the larger one has the zipper pocket on the outside, which is great for your phone. This one doesn't. This has the dual zipper, which I mentioned before. I love that this doesn't have the dual zipper, that it just has one. This one's strap is longer for crossbody, so you can wear it you can wear it as high as you want, but you can wear it pretty long, which is really nice. And this one's crossbody is, you cannot wear it nearly as long as the other one. But I will show you the best part on these, because so many canvas, and I've shared this once before, so many little canvas tote bags and such, you get this, because the thinness of the canvas, you get the slouch here where everything kind of just drags and hangs at the bottom. But because they put this enforcement down here, and even something inside there is enforcing that, so it keeps its structure really good. So when you put stuff, there is no sagging or hanging for as little or as much as you put in. Same with on this one, when I put my notebooks and stuff, everything really stays in order. So I want to show you what fits in. Let's go with the bigger one in the back. What fits in these real quick. Now in my other videos, I've shared them with my watercolor art supplies and art toolkit items, the large standard Travelers Company notebooks and what I've packed up with that. And then another sort of like a little everyday carry with my Traveler's Notebook Passport notebooks and things like that. So I just wanted, those were ideas of how I definitely will utilize and have been utilizing mine. So I want to show you what fits in here. So it's the standard passport, fits this way, and it fits this way, but just so you know, it's right there at the top. It's not bulging out or anything like that. Now this one also has the back pocket, just like this one has a little pocket in there. Now I think they might be the exact same size. Let me see. Yeah, this one, the smaller bag, the back pocket seems a little longer. I like the length of that back pocket in both, but I like the little hint longer one in the small. So just know it can stand upright if you have, it's just right there though. So if you have anything bulky or sticking out, that's not going to be wonderful. But this way is great. So you can add in two or a wallet or things like that. And we're going to try the Hobonichi A6, which fits in there lovely, very nice, even with a nice big chunky mechanical pencil and the passport. So it's just doing really nice. So if you're looking for a little something and you don't want to carry a lot and super simplified, this would be it. But just so you know, and again, I don't love giving the prices because things can change from site to site, but on the BK site, as of the date of this video, which I'm sharing with you guys on the 25th or 26th of May, 2025, the small is 78 and the mini shoulder, the BKAP mini shoulder is 88. So they're only $10 difference, but they're a big difference in how you would utilize them and carry them and what you can do. So the passport A6 is perfect in there. So we'll put the passport, the A6 in here, and you can see you pretty much have double the space. You can double those items. So I want to show you also, I shared before the standard, and this is a super chunky standard traveler's notebook, but that guy fits in there. And then this is a Hobonichi A5 with the cover, and that fits in there right at the top with the pen. So a super chunky, that is a chunky guy, a standard, and a Hobonichi with its cover, which is wonderful. And then we have a Hobonichi Weeks, which I'm going to go ahead and just toss in there also. And you can see that just closes up super nice. No bulging out. You still have room to put like your cell phone or other goodies in here. Room, you can see, so it's not over bulging here at the top or the back. Here's the bottom, really nice. Let's see, let's get those items at the bottom. See, it doesn't do that sag like tote bags and other canvas bags that don't have this nice additional canvas strip here. This is like a little game changer. It's super lightweight, and I really love that the shoulder strap is not too thin but not too thick like some things can be, and it's doubled, so it's like reinforced, but extremely lightweight. And I always say for out and about or travel or however, but so many times that I'm traveling around, and I always wear mine as a crossbody. I don't like to feel it like rubbing on my neck or feel like, oh, this big bulky thing is just here with me and it feels like a lot. I just kind of like it to be there and kind of go away. Like I don't really notice it. And so many times other shoulder strap bags, even like my Dooney ones, with the thicker, like the camera strap bags and things like that, I do find I'm monkeying with them, or they're on my neck a little funny, or when it's hot, they start to bother me. But this has been super lovely, and I've been using it every single day for every single thing. and it's been great. So there's even room here. So I don't know if you guys have seen these new Delphonics roll pen cases. I don't have mine filled yet. I just recently got mine from I believe it was 26 Marketplace. Okay, I got the blue. It's not exactly the same, but cute. I can toss that in the top also. I like that it's pretty compact. And when I put my pens and things, it'll get a little bulkier, but still looks like it would fit nicely right there at the top. Okay, so there we go. That fits with the Hobonichi A5 cover, the standard, the weeks, and then you can still put the passport in here if you want, and the A6. So depending what you use, you really have quite a lot of space. Okay, so those were some of the things that I was sharing with you guys. Oh, another thing, the smaller one does come in a lot more colors. So the small one, it looks like, unless they're sold out later, a mustard, red, navy, green, light gray, blue, and gray. Whereas this one comes in navy, blue, navy, and then blue, which this is blue, mustard, green, light gray, which says coming soon. The green, now let me show you real quick. The green is really cute. It's like this color. And this is another one of theirs that I got. This one was from 26 Market. These two were from the BK online shop. And I got a few different items from the 26 Market of theirs. And I'll share those in another video and how I have those set up. But the green's really cute. I kind of wish I got a green. My little friend Heather got a green. I can't wait to see hers and how she sets it up. She loves a standard traveler's notebook, and she watercolors and journals and does a lot of cuteness. So it'll be nice to see how she uses hers. And she's on the go a lot. So I love, oh, and I wanted to show you one more thing, the little size comparison with the Delphonics. And this is the medium 14 little pocket zip pouch, utility pouch. Now people call it the large, but it's technically called the medium. And I can just tell you the comparison is almost identical on the size, but this one holds more because of the width and just the way the sides come out a pinch. I can get more in here, where I believe my Hobonichi A5 is a much more snug fit in here. Let's just see that. It is, like when it comes to the top here and zipping it in, and I don't think, depending what I all have in the pocket, that this standard would have fit in here. But the thing that's nice is I like, oh, it's a very tight fit. So it has that width that's more, and just a little pinch, just a little small amount difference on that height. Hardly recognizable, but with that width down here, that really makes a difference. I'll show you that. Now I have the sun coming in funny from my skylights. I'm telling you right now, with this like spring, summer coming on, all the lights and windows in my space, if you've seen videos or little quick shorts of my space, I have a giant window in my space, a door with a full-size window, and 2 big skylights. So boy, am I really having a difficult time trying to time when to do the videos. So I love this for like at home and things, and my grab and go stuff. I mean, my little things that I can grab easily. But when I'm out and about, I don't want to worry about losing anything. Everything is too special and important. I don't want to lose that. So I really like this simplified version for travel and everyday carry. So I shared that I got a second one in blue for my everyday carry. Blue is just my color of my go-to, as much as I would have liked a green. Now we got a lot of shadowing here, but I wanted to share, these were the patches I have ended up with so far. This one's from BK also. So this is for my stationery or art supplies to take with me. And because I loved the lightweight of this canvas, I just knew that I would love one for my summer fun and adventures to carry with me, because it is just so light and easy breezy. It's just really nice. Even though I got a new Junie for summer and it's really great, I just feel like for the ease, I know this is going to be my grab and go. I have been using it so much since I got them, this one. But now this can keep my art supplies and watercolors and things in it, and this could just be my everyday. So my winner is not the small, but if you really like to carry even smaller compact amounts, you know, this is very cute. But just know the 2 zippers I'm not a fan of. The shorter shoulder strap, even though you can wear it crossbody, you're just not going to have that length like you do from this one. And no outside zip pocket, not even a small one. So that's extremely simplified. So I love this one, and I've shared it before because it is so compact, not very big. It is a nice little size. It's like a, not Goldilocks, not too big, not too small, but yet can hold a lot. And even if you don't put a lot in it, it doesn't look funny or flimsy. It still looks really nice. So I apologize for the lighting coming in funny here as we're ending the video. But if you enjoyed or liked this, I'd appreciate you guys give it the like button a little click for me, and let me know if there's something you need to know or see with this tote, and maybe I could do a quick little short. But this is my 4th video, and I think I've shared all I can with it. I will definitely update as I collect little patches along the way. But thank you guys so much for joining me, and I hope you're having a wonderful little holiday.